morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So this is revision lesson number 6. So that is a poem. The poem name is Boat Sail on the Rivers. So that is a poem, Boat Sail on the Rivers. So this is revision for you. Okay, children. English revision. The poem name is Boat Sail on the Rivers. So first main hard words, boats. First one boats, B-O-A-T-S, boats. Second one rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Third one clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Fourth one prettier, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, prettier. Fifth one bridges, B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Sixth one please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Seventh one heaven, H-E-A-V-E-N, heaven. Eighth one overtops, O-V-E-R-T-O-P-S, overtops. Ninth one earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Tenth one builds, B-U-I-L-D-S, builds. So these are the hard words. Once again I am going to repeat. First one boats, second one rivers, third one clouds, fourth one prettier, fifth one bridges, sixth one please, seventh one heaven, eighth one overtops, ninth one earth, tenth one builds. Okay, children. Now next main, fill in the blanks. First one dash sail on the rivers. So in the dash you must write boats, B-O-A-T-S, boats. Second one dash sail on seas. So in the dash you must write ships, S-H-I-P-S, ships. Third one dash sail across the sky. So in the dash you must write clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Fourth one there are dash on rivers. So in the dash you must write bridges, B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Fifth one dash builds a road from earth to sky. So in the dash you must write bow, B-O-W, bow. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again I am going to repeat. First one the boat sail on the rivers. Second one ship sail on the seas. Third one clouds sail across the sky. Fourth one there are bridges on rivers. Fifth one bow builds a road from earth to sky. Okay, children. Now next main, answer the following. First one, where do boats sail? Answer, the boat sail on the river. T-H the B-O-A-T-S, boats, S-A-I-L, sail. O-N on, T-H the R-I-V-E-R, river. Second one, where do ships sail? Answer, the ships sail on the sea. T-H the S-H-I-P-S, ships. S-A-I-L, sail. O-N on, T-H the S-E-A-C. Third one, where do clouds sail? Answer, the clouds sail across the sky. T-H the C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds, S-A-I-L, sail. A-C-R-O-S-S, across. T-H the S-K-Y, sky. Fourth one, the where are bridges? Answer, the bridges are on the rivers. T-H the B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. A-R-E-R-O-N on, T-H the R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Next one, what pleases the poet in the beginning? Answer, the bridges on the rivers. T-H the B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. O-N on, T-H the R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Next, sixth one, according to the poet, what is prettier than boats, ships, clouds and bridges? Answer, according to poet, the rainbow is prettier than boats, ships, clouds and bridges. A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G, according to P-O-E-T, poet. T-H the R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. I-S is Prettier, prettier, Than, Boats, boats, Ships, ships, Clouds, clouds, and Bridges, bridges. According to poet, the rainbow is prettier than boats, ships, clouds, and bridges. Now, once again, I am going to read the question answers. First one, where do boats sail? Answer: the boats sail on the river. Second one, where do ships sail? Answer: the ship sails on the sea. Third one, where do clouds sail? Answer: the clouds sail across the sky. Fourth one, where are the bridges? Answer: the bridges are on the rivers. Fifth one, what pleases the poet in the beginning? Answer: the bridges on the rivers. Sixth one, according to the poet, what is prettier than boat, ship, clouds, and bridges? Answer: according to the poet, the rainbow is prettier than boats, ship, clouds, and bridges. Now, next match the meanings. For in the A side they given sail, prettier, overtops, heaven. In the B side they given pleasing, the abode of God, traveling of boat on water, to exceed in height. So you must match them. You can draw a line or put the numbers. First one, sail. In the B side, in third line having there, traveling of boat on water. So you write there 1. Second one, prettier. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, pleasing. So you write there number 2. Third one, overtops. In the B side, in the fourth line, it is there to exceed in height. So there you write number 3. Next one, fourth one, heaven. In the B side, in the second line, it is there the abode of God. So there you put number 4. Okay, children. Now I am going to say correct answer. First one, sail, traveling of boat on water. Second one, prettier, pleasing. Third one, overtops, to exceed in height. Fourth one, heaven, the abode of God. Okay, children. Now next write the opposites for the following. Near, far, F-A-R, far. Near means hatra, far means dura. Second, heaven, hell, H-E-L-L, hell. Next, third one, top, bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಹೆವನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ, ಹೆಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನರಕ. ಪ್ರೆಟಿ, ಅಗ್ಲಿ, UGLY, ಅಗ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ರೆಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು, ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ನಿಯರ್, ಫಾರ್, F-A-R, ಫಾರ್. ಹೆವೆನ್, ಹೆಲ್, H-E-L-L, ಹೆಲ್. Third one, top, bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Fourth, pretty, ugly, UGLY, ugly. Now next write plural of the singular words. So they given a singular word, you must write plural. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. First one, river, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Second one, sea, seas, S-E-A-S, seas. Third one, this, these, T-H-E-S-E, these. Fourth one, tree, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So once again, I am going to read the plural. River, rivers, sea, seas, this, these, tree, trees. Now next write one rhyming word. First one, sail. So rhyming word is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Second one, see, me, M-E, me. Third one, sky, Y, W-H-Y, Y. Fourth one, pretty, sweetie, S-W-E-T-T-Y, sweetie. Fifth one, bow, so, S-O-W, so. So once again I am going to read the rhyming words. Sail, tail, sea, me, sky, Y, pretty, sweetie, bow, so. So next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. So here the letters are not arranged properly. You must arrange properly and make a word. First one, L-A-I-S. So the correct spelling is S-A-I-L, sail. Second one, T-A-O-B. So the correct spelling is B-O-A-T, boat. Third one, Y-S-K. So the correct spelling is S-K-Y, sky. Fourth one, D-A-O-R. So the correct spelling is R-O-A-D, road. Fifth one, D-U-O-L-C. So the correct spelling is C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Okay, children. So these are the rearrange the letters. So first one, S-A-I-L, sail. Second one, boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Third one, S-K-Y, sky. Fourth one, R-O-A-D, road. Fifth one, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Okay, children. So these are the revisions of lesson number 6, that is boat, sail on the rivers. Any doubt, children? So if any doubt is there, you can ask me. So I think you could have understood this poem, this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already completed the classwork, please practice in the rough note 2 or 3 times. Otherwise, if you have not completed the classwork, you see this video and complete your classwork. Okay, children? Thank you, children.